purchase any of these gate IC from the market, they are having some number on the top of it, and these ICs are looking like this one. Okay, these ICs are looking like this one. So in this slide, I am taking an example of NOT gate IC, okay, or inverter IC. Right? So these ICs are basically of 14 pin. Okay, you can see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 this side and 7 on other side. So whenever you are having the internal architecture of these ICs with pin, so your diagram will look like this. Okay, and there is one thing, the one basic concept. You whenever you are comparing this one if in from the practical IC, you need to find out where your notch this notch is. Okay, and you need to take your IC in this way, and from the bottom of your notch, okay, from your bottom of this notch, this is the first pin. Okay, this is first pin, second pin, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. And after writing your pin number in this way, after this 7, you need to go here. Okay, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and this is 14. Okay, because you can't see internal structure of this IC, or how it is looking from internally, while doing the practical thing. So you need to find out, like, you already know this thing, like where my how my internal things are connected to each other, at what at what pin I need to give what value. Okay, suppose you know you need to have you need to connect a ground at 7. Okay, but if you don't know, like, how I can identify pin number 7, because IC didn't have this notation 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 written on it. Okay, you need to have the idea of pin number by seeing this notch. Okay, so by seeing this notch, I can have the representation of all the pins of my IC. And if I compare these numbers here, I can see that in there are 6 logic gate in this IC. Okay, and this IC number is 7404. 7404 is basically a number for your NOT gate, and in 7404 there are 6 NOT gates. One, if you give input at the 1, you will get output at 2. If you get input at 3, you will get output at 4. And if you give 5 input and 6, you will get output. Similarly, in the top section, 9 if you give input, 8 you will get output, 11 input, 10 output, 13 input, 12 output. But for activating this IC, you need to very careful with these 2 pins. Okay, because without, like, connecting your supply to these 2 pins, your IC will never work. Okay, so you need to take care of this 7. Okay, 7 is connected to ground, and 14 is connected to your VCC. VCC in this case is a DC voltage within a range of 5 to 12 volt. Okay, for 7404 case. Okay, so whenever you are having a DC voltage, you have plus and one minus. So you can connect this one here, and you can connect this one here. Okay, so this is ground and this one is VCC. So in the similar way, there are other ICs number like 7804. From the top, they are looking exactly same, only these numbers are different. Okay, no other differences are there from the top, and after reading these numbers, you need to interpret. Okay, this is the IC of AND gate, OR gate, XOR gate, XNOR gate, or NAND gate or NOR gate. Okay, so if you read 7408 on the top, it means it is an AND gate IC, and your internal structure will look like this. For activating this, you need to connect VCC and ground, and if you want to use only this, connect your pins here, and here you can take output. Okay, you can connect your LED here. Okay, in a series with some resistance, if the voltage is high and LED voltage rating is low, according to that, you can connect some resistance in series. Or if you want to give this output to some other logic gate, you can connect your one end of your pin here and another end of your pin at the, like, another place wherever you want to connect that output. Okay, So remember this thing, 7408 is an AND gate IC, 7432 is an OR gate IC, 7400 is an NAND gate IC, 7402 is a NOR gate IC, 7486 is a XOR gate IC, and 747266 is a XNOR gate IC.